So we came home last night from getting some food and I noticed something, that the chandelier was leaning a little bit. The chain that goes on the opposite corner right there broke, and you can see right there is leaning. So we're gonna be working on this thing. That thing is high. Home Depot, got some hardware. Let's see how we're gonna do this. It's my current situation. Oh shit, it's high. Gotta drill some holes over here. This is gonna be, I got the scaffold, so hopefully everything will be fine. Might as well get PPE, why not? Look at that drop. Damn. Well, I think I'm done. It was a lot of help. My brother-in-law and my wife were downstairs moving the scaffold, but this thing is not going anywhere. I can probably put a swing in there and just swing away. That's it for this one. Let's ride. See you on the trails. Goodbye.